Hello friends, my name is Harshita. Today I am going to show you how a rocket works. See, we have this colored water. The color is red. So we put it in a syringe. And this is citric acid and baking soda. And so this is a tiny cup or a small cup, and this is a big container which we're going to take the cap off. We'll keep here, and this is the cap for a big container. Okay, shall we start? Okay, let's take our citric acid and pour it into the whole thing, because there is 2 spoons inside. Yeah. Hold it. Now let's just keep it here because that's empty. Baking soda time. Take the cup. Don't want to spill everywhere. Oops. Now it's oh, I almost forgot to this. It's just plop. It's time to take the syringe. This is gonna be scary. This is the scary part. I'm scared. Oh my God, that was so fun, right? Look at this liquid. Okay, so bye. Wait 1 second.